What's up everyone? In this video we are starting a series of Upwork tutorials. If you are someone who is trying to get your start on Upwork, whether that means getting approved, building your profile, sending proposals, and getting clients to respond, then this video series of tutorials is for you. For those who don't know me, I'm Lex DeVille, and on this channel we help people escape corporate prison and build a freelance empire. We share a lot of freelance and freelance writing tips and tutorials, so if you're new, consider subscribing. In this video, it's the first of our Upwork series. This is going to be an Upwork tutorial for training you how to get started on Upwork, how to set up a profile, how to send proposals that get results, how to get on interviews, get through the interview, and land clients and make money. So if you're brand new to Upwork, then this video is going to be for you. If you are someone who is from anywhere in the world, it really doesn't matter. As long as you have a positive mindset and a positive mental attitude, then this video series is going to be for you. And it doesn't matter if you are a parent who's trying to make some extra money at home. It doesn't matter who you are, as long as you bring that positive mindset and you're ready to put in the effort to get results. So this video is more of an announcement than anything. I just wanted to throw it out there that this is what we're going to be doing. But there are some things that you should know about Upwork. There are several ways that you can get in there and make a lot of money. And a lot of people have these questions about whether or not Upwork is still worth it. And I post videos on this sometimes. I posted one last year. We get lots of comments and a lot of negativity around what people's limiting beliefs are. They post and they think about Upwork as this low-pay freelance platform because that's what other people have told them it is. That's this word that's spread. And I want to dispel that myth real quick, because really what's going on here is that Upwork is the largest freelance platform in the world. It's a publicly traded company, and it has the most freelancers and it has the most clients. And those clients aren't just looking for the cheapest people. The reason people keep finding cheap work is because that's what their eyes and mind are set on. When your head is set on the fact that you are a low-value freelancer and that people are only going to pay you low rates for low-pay work, then that's what you're going to find. That's what you're going to see. So be thinking about that, because to make it through this, you need to have a positive mindset. You need to understand that there are people out there who will pay you very well if you can get the job done for them. Something else you need to know is that you are not going to be approaching this from the traditional standpoint. Whenever you come to the freelance world, your resume means nothing. Your background means nothing. Your experience, your work history, wherever you've worked, it means nothing to freelance clients. Your education means nothing. Clients do not care about your education, and you will find this across all of my videos. So don't come in here thinking that I'm going to make all this money because I have 10 years of experience and I have a college degree. Those things will not help you here unless you can show how they are relevant to the skills you offer and how they support you. And more importantly, what you will have to show clients is that you are someone who can get the job done. And if you can't show that, then you will end up with low-pay work like most of the low-pay freelancers who are complaining about how clients only want to pay low rates. So that is what you need to know going into this, is that you're going to have to get your mind right. You're going to have to switch how you think about everything, because this is not a traditional job. You are no longer an employee and you are not getting any benefits in terms of medical, healthcare, all that stuff. You don't get those employee benefits, and you're not operating like an employee. Instead, you are going to work on your own time frame, at your own schedule, doing the jobs that you want for multiple clients, and you're not going to be an employee for any of them. You're going to be an expert they hire to do specific jobs and get those jobs done, which means you have to be able to show that you can do those jobs. And the way you're going to do that is something I will show you as we move through this Upwork tutorial. But going into this, just know that you can take your resume and light it on fire, because it means nothing here. You can take your diploma and degree and put them on the shelf, because they mean nothing here. And you can take your 20 years in the machining factory or 10 years in that corporate office and just forget about it, because it means nothing here. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't have experience or education or any of that. You can get started without any of that, and that's what I'm going to show you over the next few days. And then once I've shown you that, we're we're going to run some other kind of video series or maybe some live videos where we're going to have progress update sessions so that you can come in, ask questions, get answers, and then also share what progress you've made. Have you made it on Upwork? Have you started applying to gigs? Have you gotten your first responses or first clients? What progress have you made? How much have you earned? And have you gotten banned from Upwork like most people end up doing because they try to do shady stuff that Upwork doesn't like? So we'll talk about things to avoid and all that as well. But for now, I just want you to know that that's coming up. So once we get started, this isn't just an Upwork tutorial series. It's an Upwork tutorial series leading up to weekly and or monthly progress check-ins, so you have a way to start to engage our community and be a part of it and just share what kind of updates on progress you've made and get help when you need it. And hopefully you will want to be a part of that. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. That's what this video series is all about. Again, I'm Lex DeVille. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below if you want to get the updates on these videos. You'll have to click the get notification bell. And then we will just see you tomorrow for the first video, which will be how to get approved on Upwork in 2019. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.